Hi everyone, I'm Jimmy and welcome to my channel. Today we're going big, we're going bold, we're going rhubarb. That's right, we're diving headfirst into the world of rhubarb with 5 mind-blowingly delicious dessert recipes that'll have you saying, "Move over, chocolate! There's a new flavor in town!" Smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome food adventures. Let's kick things off with a classic, rhubarb pie. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. For the crust, we're making a homemade buttery crust with 2½ cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of cold butter. Cut the butter into the dry ingredients until it looks like coarse crumbs. Then add 1/4 cup of ice water until it just comes together. Form the dough into a disc, wrap it up, and chill in the fridge for at least an hour. For the filling, mix 4 cups of chopped rhubarb, 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of cinnamon. Roll out the chilled dough, fit it into your pie plate, and pour in the rhubarb filling. Create a lattice top with the remaining dough, brush with melted butter, and sprinkle with sugar. Bake for 60 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Next up is Rhubarb Crisp. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the filling, mix 4 cups of chopped rhubarb, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then spread it in a baking dish. For the topping, combine 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 cup of melted butter until it forms a crumble. Sprinkle the crumble over the rhubarb filling. Bake for about 45 minutes until the topping is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Enjoy this warm, comforting rhubarb crisp. Rhubarb Cheesecake. Creamy, dreamy decadence. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. For the crust, mix 1½ cups of crushed graham crackers with 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1/4 cup of sugar, then press into a springform pan. For the filling, beat 24 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. For the rhubarb swirl, mix 2 cups of chopped rhubarb with 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Pour half of the cheesecake batter into the crust, add dollops of the rhubarb mixture, and swirl with a knife. Repeat with the remaining batter and rhubarb. Bake the cheesecake in a water bath to prevent cracks. Wrap the bottom of the springform pan with foil, place in a larger pan, and add hot water halfway up the sides. Bake for about 75 minutes until just set. Cool completely in the oven with the door slightly ajar, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This rhubarb cheesecake is the ultimate indulgence. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Rhubarb muffins. Perfect for breakfast or anytime. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Fold in 1½ cups of chopped rhubarb. Divide the batter among the muffin cups, filling them about 2/3 full. Sprinkle with a mixture of 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Bake for 18-20 minutes until golden brown and a toothpick comes out clean. Rhubarb Sorbet. Refreshing and tangy treat. Make a simple rhubarb syrup by combining 4 cups of chopped rhubarb, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Bring to a boil. Then simmer for about 10 minutes until the rhubarb is tender. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing on the solids to extract juice. Let the syrup cool completely. Churn the syrup in an ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. For a firmer texture, freeze the sorbet for at least 2 hours. Enjoy this refreshing rhubarb sorbet. There you have it, folks. 5 epic rhubarb recipes that'll rock your world. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another crazy food adventure. See you in the next video.